body color.
It's right there, yeah.
And that water was different. You know, it was a little off color. It was like a gray color. We've had some really crazy tides up here this last month, and it's really pushed that Gulf Stream water way out, the clean, pretty water. Big old blackfin, what you got? Come on.
Might be.
Big blackfin?
Yeah. Need a gap?
Nah, I'll just grab him. That's a blackfin, Captain.
Nice work. Add to the collection.
Oh, I love doing that. I love stalling them on the boat, you know what I mean? It's like, yeah, boy.